In tapping, we start off every tapping round with a setup statement, and it goes something like this. Even though I have this problem, I have this issue, I'm feeling this way, etc., I deeply and completely accept myself anyway. So this classic setup statement in EFT is used to expose yourself, your conscious and your subconscious mind, to the issue that you're dealing with at the time, but also presents a cognitive reframe in the form of the I deeply and completely accept myself anyway, right? It separates you from the problem. But for some people, saying I deeply and completely accept myself is difficult. And so when they say that statement, it feels false. It feels like a lie. They're not telling the truth. It doesn't resonate with them. So what I'd like you to do is say out loud, I deeply and completely accept myself. And just notice how this feels in your body. So try and tune in to your emotional body versus your conscious mind. Sometimes your logical and your conscious mind takes over and it's like, of course I accept myself. You know, I'm a good person. I walk my dog every day. I'm good. I accept myself. But when you tune into your emotional body, that may be different. Okay, so just really feel into your body and notice how true this statement feels. I deeply and completely accept myself. 0 to 10, with 10 being it's so true and 0 being it's not true at all. Go ahead and start tapping on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though just saying I deeply and completely accept myself feels like a lie, it really doesn't feel true to me. I accept that I don't fully accept myself yet. And even though just saying I deeply and completely accept myself feels like a lie, I'm just noticing how this feels in my body, and all I have to do is just notice. And even though this statement, I deeply and completely accept myself, it doesn't feel true to me. It feels kind of like a lie. All I have to do is notice this. And right here, right now, I'm okay. Top of the head. It feels like a lie. I deeply and completely accept myself doesn't really feel true. Side of the eye, it doesn't really feel true. Under the eye, just saying I deeply and completely accept myself, I'm noticing it doesn't feel true to me. Under the nose, it just doesn't feel true. It kind of feels like a lie. When I say I deeply and completely accept myself, it kind of feels like a lie. It doesn't feel true. It really doesn't feel true to me. I don't deserve to accept myself. Eyebrow. A part of me feels like I don't deserve to accept myself. Side of the eye. I don't deserve to accept myself. Under the eye. I just don't deserve to accept myself. Under the nose. I don't deserve to love and accept myself. I just don't deserve it. Under the mouth. I don't deserve it because... And fill that in with whatever is coming up for you. Collarbone. I don't deserve to love and accept myself. I just don't deserve it. Under the arm. I just don't deserve to love and accept myself. Top of the head. I can't love and accept myself. Eyebrow. I can't love and accept myself. It's just not possible. Side of the eye. I just can't do it. Under the eye. I just can't accept myself. It's just not possible for me. I can't do it. Under the nose, I just can't accept myself. Under the mouth, I can't bring myself to a place where I can lovingly accept myself. Collarbone, I just can't do it. Under the arm, I just can't accept myself. Top of the head, maybe I can accept myself. Maybe I can't. Maybe I won't ever be able to accept myself. Side of the eye, maybe I will. Maybe I will be able to accept myself. Maybe some parts of me already do. Maybe I do accept myself. Maybe I don't accept myself. Maybe I do accept myself. Wrist point, maybe I don't accept myself. Maybe I do. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath. Even though this statement, I deeply and completely accept myself, still feels a little untrue, I am open to the possibility that one day I can say that and mean it. Top of the head. I'm open to the possibility that today I can accept myself a little bit more. Side of the eye. I choose to focus on all the ways that I do accept myself. Under the eye. I'm open to the possibility that maybe one day I can fully accept myself. Under the mouth. But for now, I'm choosing to focus on all the little ways that I accept myself. Collarbone. I'm choosing to focus on what I'm proud of. Under the arm. And I send love and gratitude to my body for going on this journey with me. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath and relax.
Around you, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me, oh Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much of